Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a working method to get car parking multiplayer free money in 2026. So as you can see guys, this is what we have right now. But when we press this button right here, we can add free coins and free money. So I'm going to turn it up. I'm going to turn it up all the way. So now the money should start going up, and then I'm going to show you how to get this car parking multiplayer modded version for your phone 2026. So let's see if it increases at all. And as you can see guys, there we go, the money has started rising. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this for your device. So let's get straight into the video. So first things first, we need to go type in tweakmod.com. So this is the website guys where we can get the car parking multiplayer modded version. So as you can see guys, there it is. So go ahead and press install. Now before this downloads, there is going to be a verification. So what this is you have to download 2 apps and you got to follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store, and this will get you the car parking multiplayer mod. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, so yeah, it's super cool guys. So if you need car parking multiplayer money for whatever reason, well, now I'm going to show you in this video how to get car parking multiplayer modded version. So as you can see guys, it says missing files, additional files are required. So this is the last step. So basically we just have to download 2 of these apps. They're all free. So you can see we got TikTok, which says down and run for 30 seconds. We got Travel Town, which says reach level 9. Swag Bucks. So there's a bunch of these. The games are obviously pretty simple. So this one's like reach level 9, right? So just press open and then play it until I reach level 9. So that's pretty easy guys. But yeah, just make sure you download 2 of the apps. You're going to be all set. So that's how to get it for your device. But yeah, as long as you did 2 of them guys, you should be good to go. And there's a video to watch if you're confused. But yeah, this is super cool guys. And it totally works. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, if you want to get money in car parking multiplayer, you've got to try this out guys. It actually works. I'm not really involved in the mod scene or anything like that, but since I found this, I had to share it with y'all because it is legit. You can get free money in car parking multiplayer, which is awesome. So I know a lot of you guys are obviously very invested in this game, so that's why I made the video, because I know people want money on car parking multiplayer, and I understand that. I understand the values behind it and all that. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So peace out. But yeah, this is super cool guys. Totally works 2026. So if you guys need money in this game, be sure to try this out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.